What's going on, everybody? I got my big bro next to me, you know, cooling it. About to go fishing, you know, see if I can catch something, nothing major. You know, we're gonna see what we could do. Let's go fishing. It's closed from 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. It's closed right now. The gates up and everything. That's cool. I'm gonna go right on the side of it. All right, y'all, so that's that. You know, I caught a couple fish. I don't know why I cannot touch them catfish. I don't know why they look disgusting to me, but that's it for today. You know, the sun's shining on me, making your brother glow. But yeah, that's it for today, you know. Another day of fishing.